Let me tell you something important. Not everyone is going to be proud of you. The truth is, some people are just surprised that you keep making things happen. They see your progress, your consistency, and they don't understand how you do it. They expected you to fail, to give up, but you didn't. And guess what? That's the power of determination. You don't need their applause. You don't need their approval. What you need is the belief in yourself, that burning desire to keep pushing even when no one else believes in you. Because success isn't about making everyone proud. It's about proving to yourself that you have the strength, the courage, and the drive to keep going, no matter what. Let their doubt push you further. Let their surprise remind you that you are capable of more than they could ever imagine. The only person you need to impress is the one staring back at you in the mirror. So, keep pushing, and keep making things happen. You're unstoppable.